the Center for Information Technology Research in the Interest of Society and the Banatao Institute at UC Merced, shortened to CITRIS, has partnered with IoT for Ag to engage with middle school students from across Merced County who have had little to no access to robotics or other STEM resources. NexTech Robotics was originally created by Alexis Garcia, an inspired UC Merced undergraduate student in computer science. NexTech teaches San Joaquin Valley youth the value of teamwork and how to think like an engineer. Through a curriculum involving friendly robotics competitions and real-world scenarios, middle school students gain a thorough introduction to problem-solving in STEM, exploring concepts like coding, engineering design, and more. Near-peer undergraduate student mentors from UC Merced lead the curriculum delivery in classrooms. These student mentors serve as relatable role models, bridging gaps between students and teachers, and helping to build confidence in middle school students by seeing someone similar to themselves succeed in STEM. This model of mentoring has been shown to be particularly effective in promoting diversity and inclusion in STEM, helping girls and minorities engage with STEM subjects and careers. Through funding from IoT for Ag, these undergraduate mentors expanded the NexTech curriculum to include real-world scenarios and ag tech innovations inspired by IoT for Ag case studies and real research projects. IoT for Ag provided students with unique insight into the practical applications of technology in agriculture-related fields. This program is primarily targeted at middle school students, an age group where research indicates a significant drop in STEM interest, particularly among girls, and when students start considering their future career paths. Since 2015, NexTech Robotics has reached over 800 middle school students in the greater Merced area through weekly workshops in schools and community centers. AgTech occurs on the ground and in the sky. Our Fly CITRIS program helps students gain valuable skills in programming and cultivate critical thinking, mission planning, and spatial awareness. Equipped with Co-Drone Edu drone kits and engaged in fun competitions, students embark on an extraordinary aerial adventure into real-world applications like agricultural monitoring. Fly CITRIS programming is suitable for all ages. In partnership with IoT for Ag, we have engaged with 142 participants just in the summer of 2024 alone. CITRIS at UC Merced and IoT for Ag are proud to be making a difference in our community. AgTech is the future of our workforce, and our workforce starts here.